Hi, kids! Let's learn our daily routine in English. Say the sentences with me, slow and easy. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I eat my breakfast. I drink milk. I pack my bag. I wear my shoes. I go to school. I say good morning. I study in class. I listen to my teacher. I write in my notebook. I read my book. I play with friends. I eat my lunch. I drink water. I come back home. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I take rest. I do my homework. I watch cartoons. I play in the evening. I talk to my parents. I eat snacks. I help my parents. I wash my hands again. I eat my dinner. I drink warm milk. I brush my teeth at night. I wear my nightdress. I listen to a story. I say good night. I go to bed. I close my eyes. I sleep well. I dream sweet dreams. I wake up fresh. I feel happy. I feel healthy. I love my family. I love my school. I love my friends. I love my day. Good job, kids! You did amazing today. Like, share, and subscribe to Tip Tip Kids.